Hey everyone, my name is Allison. Today we're going to do a 10-minute core workout. All you're going to need is one moderate dumbbell and a mat. But before we start, make sure to tap that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with the latest fitness videos. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's start by lying down on the mat. You're going to go ahead and keep your weight off to the side. We're not going to use it quite yet, but we'll grab it soon. So let's go ahead and lie down. We're going to start by having our feet flat on the ground, hands light behind the head. We're looking up at the ceiling. Remember to engage the core, pull the belly button to spine, and keep those abs nice and tight from start to finish. Okay, so when you're ready, take a deep breath, inhale, and then exhale, crunch up. Good, lift and lower. Exhale, lift, inhale, down. Keep breathing throughout. Lift high enough till your shoulder blades are just off the mat. Good job, stay there. Lift and down. You have 8 more. There's 8, 7, good, 6. Keep it up, 4 more. Keep those elbows back in your peripheral vision. 2 more. All right, here's that change. Now pulse this up, double time, 8, 7, 6, 5, here's 4, 3, sing those up and down every time. Lift it up. Now keep crunching. This is going to be continuous flow, so we're going to constantly move, at least do this first part. Lift those feet so they're hovering just off the ground. Core is still engaged. 2 more. You ready? Add a reverse curl roll. Curl those knees in and out. So make sure that there's no space between your lower back and the mat. Good. Up and down. Lift. Got it. Stay with it. You have 8, 7, 6. Stay strong. 4 more. In 4, 3, there's 2. Upper body only crunch. Keep those feet hovering above the ground. Now we're going to work some obliques. Changing those legs up. We're going to go ahead and keep the right knee in. Extend the left leg. You ready? Add a twist to the bent knee. Left shoulder, right knee. Again, elbow stays back. Make sure there's no space in that lower back. If you find there's a space here, extend this leg higher. Keep it up, keep it up. Squeeze. You're doing so good. 4 more. 4. 2 more. Now here's your change. Slow it down, 2 counts, hesitation. It's center, rotate, center, down. Do it again. Up, twist. Only 2 more like that. Up, twist, center, down. 1 more. To the same side. Pulse it over. Pulse for 8, 7, 6. Here's 4. We're going to switch right away. Switch it over. Other side. Left shoulder or left knee in. Right shoulder, left knee. Twist. And just like before, if your back's arching, raise this leg higher. 8, 7. Keep going strong. Build those abs. 4 more. In 4. 2 more. You ready? Let's do it. Slow it down. 2 counts. Center up. Twist. Center. Down. Lift up. Rotate. Beautiful. 2 more. Up. Twist. 1 more here. Lift. Same side. Let's pulse over. Take it. 8, 7, 6. In 4, 3. Bicycle twist right away. Twist. Over. Over. Good. Stay with it. Whew. 8 more. Take it at your own pace. 6, 5. Here's 4, 3. Single center up and down. Center those legs. Bring those legs up to 90 degrees or tabletop position. Okay. Watch my first one. I'm going to rotate to the right, then reach for the heel. Same side. Try it here. Rotate, reach. Working those external obliques. Got it. Reach. Again. Rotate and reach. 4 more this side, then we'll switch. Good. 3 more. Rotate. You've got 2 more right here. Twist. 1 more. Ready? Other side. Rotate, twist to the left. Rotate, twist and reach. Again. Rotate, twist. Yes. Stay there. Rotate, twist. Perfect. Come on. You're almost done. 4 more. 4. There's 3. 2 more. Twist. Good. 1 more. I'm going to give you a quick break after this one. Woo, head down, rock those knees in. I know that was probably a little bit intense, but you guys did amazing. We're not done yet though. Okay, let's go ahead and set those feet down. Grab your dumbbell. So we're gonna do one side at a time. The weight is optional, so if you're not feeling the weight, you don't have to use it. Okay, go ahead and place the weight in your right hand. You're gonna have the weight back, arm back, left leg extended, other arm to the side. Take a big breath, inhale, exhale, bring it all the way up to the shin, little rotation. Inhale, control, bring it down. You don't want to take it all the way down so your hand and weight's rested. Go ahead and just stop right about there where you feel a little bit of tension pull, and exhale, lift and down. Okay, at your own pace, go ahead and get 10. Let's do it. Exhale up, inhale down. There's 9. 8. Good. 7. All the way up. 6. You got this. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax your head, set the weight down, switch sides. Okay, weight's in the left, right leg out. Go ahead and bring that arm back. Here we go, big 10. Exhale up, inhale lower. For 2. You got it. 3, 4. Good job, halfway. 6, 7, come on, you're almost there. Last 2, 9, and 10. Very good, relax. Okay, for this next one, we're gonna go ahead and extend both legs up, flex the feet, hold the weight horizontally in both hands, and we're gonna pulse up and down. When you're ready, 30 seconds. Here we go, pulse it, lift. Lift high enough to your shoulder blades are just off that ground. Good. Come on, 15 more seconds, you got this. You're almost done, finish it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Head down, bring those knees in just a little bit, hang on to your weight. You're so close to the end, we're almost there. Okay, next we're gonna do double leg stretch. So we're gonna hold that weight horizontally again. We're gonna lift the head up like you're crunching into a big ball, toes pointed. Inhale, arms reach back, legs extend. Exhale, pull them in. Let's see, inhale, reach back. Let's bring the head down and then pull in. Here we go, 10 of these. Inhale, exhale, 10. 9, 8, good. 7, keep it up. 6, 5, 4, 3, you're almost there, 2 more, and 1 more. Whew, very, very good. You can go ahead and set that weight down. We're gonna go ahead and finish up the series. Place those hands under the hips, lift those legs up to the ceiling. Okay, when you're ready, we'll start singles, one leg at a time. Down and up, inhale, exhale up. So we'll call this the modified version or beginner, level 1. If you're feeling a little fatigued, you can always stay here. If you're feeling pretty good, we're gonna go ahead and bump this up a notch. Make a V shape with your heels and calves together, knees together, toes flaring out. Inhale, drop the legs down. Exhale, come up. Keep those hands under your hips to support your lower back. Good, inhale, exhale up. One a little bit more. Lift that head up, look at the feet. Inhale down, exhale up. Good, we're gonna go 4 more. And up, 3, 2, you have 1 more. Good. Hug the knees in. Last thing, and we're gonna wrap this up. Okay, go ahead back in that same position. Hands under the hips, raise your legs up to the ceiling. When you're ready, we're gonna go ahead and lift the head up, drop the legs so they're about parallel to the ground, point the toes, flutter kick. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Raise those legs up to the ceiling, drop the head, breathe. Bring it down, parallel. Lift the head, crisscross, alternate. 9, 8, 7, good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Raise the legs up, drop the head. Last thing, combination of the 2. You've got this. Here we go, drop down, flutter kick. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, crisscross. Last 10, 9, nice and tight. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, isometric hold. And bring it down, full body stretch. Great job. You did it. Short and sweet, right? When you're ready, nice and easy, hug those knees in, rock side to side. Stretching those obliques, drop the knees to one side, reach the arms opposite. And go the other way. Feel free to take your time and stretch a little bit longer if you like. You guys did amazing today. Good job. Hug those knees in, rock it up, and you're all done. Nice work.